Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you download app in iPhone. So for iPhone, you need to just go to your app store to download any app. And after going to the app store, here you can see there are so many apps in front of you. If you click the bottom left side, there is a today option, which means the latest app will be shown in front of you. And if you click the bottom second option, games, you can see all kind of games are here. You can also select many kinds of categories by clicking the bottom apps option. In the top here you can see there are recommended apps here like finance, AR apps, reference, developer tools. You can also search for the app in the bottom right side. Click on search and in the top just search for the app. After searching for the app, here you can see I have searched a game. By clicking on this game, you will see a get option. Just click on this get option. And you may need to double click on your side button to confirm it. So double click on your side button and the download will be started. So guys, that's how you can download an app on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.